Good morning, students. Good afternoon. Good evening. So I am delighted and excited to say. Let me take a few minutes to say thank you for the all the students. Let me take some of your name. So like a Brinzel, Selvina, Vruti, Hanil. Okay, there are many students. Okay, so all of you are doing good, or you are sending us the homework. So my beloved students, thank you for everything. Thank you for the your hard work. So what we are making the video, or what we are doing the hard work, that you are implementing, or you are sending, or you are doing good for everything. So thank you for the your homework. Okay, so my dear students, this is for first standard. Okay, so all of you are doing good at your home. I hope and believe that all of you are doing good. Okay, so let me say good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So thank you whenever you are watching me, or whenever you are learning or doing this homework. So let us take some of the like we can say, let us take some this. Okay, so to take some time and try to get some of the information. Okay, so we have been learning, there are many things. Okay, so long vowel sound of vowel we are learning. So today again we are going to see the long vowel sound of vowel O. Okay, long vowel sound of vowel O and U. Okay, so we are going to see these two words. Okay, long vowel O and U. Last time already we have seen, but on the another part we are going to see. So for that we have to go to the book and learn the long vowel sound of vowel O and U. Let us go to the book. Okay students, we are going to see the phonic number B. In this we are going to learn today. Okay, so my dear students, what we are going to learn, so we are going to learn in this the long vowel sound of vowel O. You can see here, so long vowel sound of vowel O. Okay, this is the beginning that we are going to learn. Now long vowel sound of O is also made with the on or as in low. Okay, so now we will learn something. Okay, so what we have to put here, now we will learn something. Okay, so which word we are going to use now. Okay, so we are going to see O and W. We are going to, okay, so bow. Okay, so first O W, bow. Okay, then crow. કાગડો. ઓકે, બો એટલે કે નાનકડી ટાઈ હે ને આપણા ગળાની અંદર વેટર લોકો યુઝ કરે. સો વિચ this is some they like English people are using. Okay, so now this is another is that. Okay, row. Okay, then grow. Okay, grow, row, and move, and snow. Okay, did you understand what I am trying to teach you today? So bow. Okay, crow, row, grow એટલે કે વૃદ્ધિ થવી. મો એટલે કે જુઓ જે છોકરો અહીંયા જે કરી રહ્યો છે તે પ્રમાણેનો. ઓકે, સ્નો એટલે કે બરફ. ઓકે, રો એન્ડ હોડીને હંકારવો. ઓકે, so this is the word. Now next let us read some more words. Low, snow, brow, flow, blow, slow, grow, and snow. Okay, so this is the words. Okay, now we are going to see another. Which one? is this is long vowel sound of vowel U. Okay, long vowel sound of U is made with on E, as in blue, as well as when there is a consonant between the vowel U and E, like in cube. Okay, now what we have to put? Now first we will see, please read the words and complete word by adding the vowel UE or UE. Okay, so we are going to see here now. First we will use Q. Okay, E. Okay, then tube. Okay, then mole. Okay, then glue and blue and glue. Okay, this is what I have done. Okay, my beloved students, so like this you need to finish. First you put U and E. U, here you put E. U E. U E. Then U E next to here. Blue you put blue, you can put like this. Okay, so this is your homework. You can do nicely or you can make this one. Okay, મૂળ એટલે કે એમનું સાઉન્ડ. ઓકે, હોંચી હોંચી હે ને, ગધડાનો અવાજ હોય ને, હોંચી હોંચી જો. તો સો ધીસ ઇઝ યોર હોમવર્ક. ઓકે, blue blue. Okay, now what we are going to tune, mute. Okay, cute, cut, use, rule, use, done, do, fuel, duel. ઓકે, આ તમારા વર્ડ્સ રહેશે. સો આ તમારે લેસન કરીને મોકલવાનું રહેશે. ઓકે માય બિલોવડ સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ, સો વી વિલ મીટ ઇન next video. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Okay, so we will meet in next video. Thank you so much.